Hello friends, how are you? In this video, we will see Khel Ratna Awards 2024 in Indian sports, so let's start. The Khel Ratna Award is India's highest honor for outstanding sports performance. Instituted in 1991, it recognizes athletes across various disciplines for their excellence and contributions to Indian sports. This prestigious award is given annually by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It aims to honor athletes who have displayed exceptional skill, dedication, and achievement in their respective fields. The award highlights India's commitment to promoting sports and motivating athletes to achieve excellence. The Khel Ratna Award, officially known as the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, is India's highest sporting honor. Khel Ratna Award 2024. Manu Bhakar. Manu Bhakar is a prominent Indian shooter, renowned for her exceptional skills in pistol shooting. She made history at the 2018 Commonwealth Games by becoming the youngest Indian shooter to win gold at just 16 years old. In addition to her Commonwealth success, Manu has also excelled at World Cup events and Asian Championships, earning multiple medals and accolades. Gukesh D. Sri Gukesh D, an 18-year-old chess prodigy from Chennai, made history by becoming the youngest world chess champion in December 2024. He achieved this remarkable feat by defeating the reigning champion, Ding Liren, with a close score of 7.5 to 6.5 in a thrilling match. Gukesh's journey in chess began at the age of 7, and he became a grandmaster at just 12 years and 7 months, making him one of the youngest to achieve this title. Harmanpreet Singh. Shri Harmanpreet Singh is a distinguished Indian hockey player, known for his exceptional skills as a drag flicker and forward. In recent years, he has captained the national team, guiding them to significant achievements, including a bronze medal at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. He has been a pivotal part of the Indian national team since his debut in 2015. His powerful penalty corners and tactical awareness have made him one of the top players in international hockey. Praveen Kumar. Shri Praveen Kumar is an accomplished Indian para-athlete, specializing in javelin throw and discus throw events. At the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics, he won a silver medal in the men's javelin throw F64 category, showcasing his incredible talent and determination. He continues to break barriers in para-athletics while advocating for greater inclusion and support for athletes with disabilities. Dronacharya Award 2024. Deepali Deshpande. Deepali Deshpande is an Olympian and also represented India at the Asian Games and Asian Shooting Championships, among others. She was a member of the team that clinched silver at the Busan Asian Games in 2022 in the 10 meters air rifle team event. After making India proud at world events like the Asian Shooting Championships and Asian Games, among others, Deshpande decided to don the mentor's hat and work towards producing champions. Arjuna Award, Lifetime, 2024. Murlikant Pitkar. Murlikant Pitkar is India's first Paralympic gold medalist. He won an individual gold medal in the 1972 Summer Paralympics in Heidelberg, Germany. He set a world record in the 50 meters freestyle swimming event at 37.33 seconds. In the same games, he participated in javelin, precision javelin throw and slalom. He was a finalist in all 3 events. In 2018, he was awarded with the Padma Shri. Arjuna Award 2024. Swapnil Kusali. Swapnil Kusali is an Indian sports shooter. He won the bronze medal at the 2024 Summer Olympics in the men's 50 meters rifle 3 positions event. It wasn't long before Swapnil found success in his shooting career. At the 2015 Asian Shooting Championships in Kuwait, he won the gold medal in the 50 meters rifle prone event in the junior category. His achievement added to India's tally in Olympic rifle shooting, following Abhinav Bindra's gold in the men's 10 meters air rifle at Beijing 2008 and Gagan Narang's bronze in the same event at London 2012.
If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.